Hello friends, welcome to the Bikerz. I'm Neeraj and today I'm going to unbox a new helmet by STEELBIRD for you. Let us check out what is the special thing about this helmet. The outer finish of the helmet looks like it is carbon fiber. If we talk about ventilation, there are two vents at the rear. In top, there is one vent. There are two vents on the front end of the mouth side. The most special thing about this helmet is it has got inbuilt goggles with the helmet, which you can open with the help of this, and you want to close the goggles, you just press this button. Now I'll wear the same helmet for you and I'll show you how it looks like. By using this, I have opened the goggles part of this helmet, which is inbuilt in this. You can put this cover as well. To take the goggles back inside the helmet, you just have to press this switch. Ta-da! The most exciting part of this helmet is its price. So the price of this helmet is only 1199 rupees. If you want to buy this helmet, contact us on this number. Ride hard and ride safe. Cheers.